Oh, cheese. Hello, welcome back to Hellajam. It is your girl, Jamie, or jam, like strawberry jam, boysenberry jam, apricot jam. That's a goodie. Today, I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit more about allergies and how much they suck. Allergy season just seems to get longer and longer, but don't worry, I've got you covered. A year ago, I sounded like Darth Vader, and now I'm not congested at all. All right, homies, so if you don't know, I am allergic to both of my cats. Why do I have cats? Because they're so damn cute, and cats need love too, even though you're allergic to them. Steph had a cat before we started dating. I had a cat before we started dating, and then once we got together, of course, our cats fell in love, thankfully. My allergies just were insane. No matter what I did, my allergies were absolutely terrible. To the point where it kind of affected our sex life, to be honest. You can't feel sexy when your throat's itching, you're having an asthma attack, your nose is, you wanna rip your nose off, and it feels like the death of you. About a year ago, I saw an allergist because enough was enough. And I wanted to get allergy shots, but it didn't make sense at the time, so my doctor got me on a few things. I just want to put it out there, I am not a doctor. I'm not licensed to tell you what to do, but this is what's worked for me, and if you want to try it, then you're more than welcome to. Basically, just don't sue me. First and foremost, I was using Claritin, Zyrtec, I tried everything. And then my doctor said, why don't you try Allegra? Stefano did some research and he said that if you get the liquid gels, they hit even faster. Every night before I go to bed, I always take the Allegra 24-hour, specifically the non-drowsy. It's helped tremendously. I don't know what it is in Allegra, but it's helped so much. For whatever reason, Zyrtec, Claritin, Benadryl, like those just never ever did anything for me. Ever since then, Allegra's always been my go-to. He also told me to take Flonase once a day. I hated Flonase. It was the absolute worst, especially when you're congested and you squirt it in your nose, which is also a very uncomfortable thing. When you squirt it in your nose and then it like feels like it's fizzing in your nostrils. But that's what you want to do. He said that when you spray it, I'll spray it right now for you guys. You cover one, this is really cute. You put it in the nostril, but you put it towards your ear. And then you just let it sit there and just do its work. But I found that stick to this for at least a week, and it definitely helped. So much to the point where like, I can cuddle my cats now and not have an asthma attack. It's unreal. Like I can pet them and then touch my face and not have a rash. Flonase and Allegra have worked absolute wonders. It's a godsend. I cannot thank my allergist nearly enough. Other than those two, I highly recommend a air purifier. So Steph and I spent a little bit of money and got like a legit air purifier, but it really helps me sleep at night. It's kind of like helps not only circulate the air, but pull all of the cat dander from the air and all the impurities and all the pollen that definitely causes you to wheeze at night. That's also changed my life completely, as well as sleeping with a diffuser. If my allergies are really bad that night, I will sleep with a essential oil diffuser, and I'll put a few drops of eucalyptus and then just like one of lemon, and for whatever reason, that really helps clear my sinuses. When my sinuses are really bad. I found that not only is it super relaxing and it feels like you're at a spa, but also it helps just decongest this situation. If you don't have an air diffuser, taking a hot shower and putting some eucalyptus essential oil drops on your shower floor and just kind of breathing that all in. Peppermint essential oils work as well, but just kind of like breathing it in. It's almost like Vicks Vapor Rub, but it's just a healthier version, and it's easy because you can just do it in the shower. It almost feels like you're being cleansed, literally because you're in the shower, but also because you're just really breathing in all of these scents that kind of just open your airways a little bit more. If you liked this video, if you have any other allergy suggestions on how to improve your allergies or get rid of them, definitely leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Peace.